Hello, welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. This is about my heater core hose. If yours is broke, I'm cruising down the road, look down, steam coming out, my temperature gauge is pegged out, pull over, find a hole in my heater core hose. So what I do, I bypass it, which I'll show you what I did, but and show you the leak right now. So as you can see, it was coming out pretty good. So I ordered another hose. I go to pull it off the heater core. It breaks. I'll show you right now. So as you can see, it was coming out pretty good. So I ordered another hose. Go to take, it off where the heater core goes in. It's all brittle, it breaks. So I'm going to show you what I did as a bypass, and then temporary fix I did so I can have heat when it gets a little cool here. So this is the bypass I did, and from the picture I showed you, I'm going to get to this in just a second, but I bought this piece right here, the bypass, and what it did, it connected the two together, so at least my car can not run hot. So that worked fine. So now, I don't know if you've looked it up before, but to replace these two tubes in here is a nightmare. This is a 2002 Nissan, but you got to reclaim the air conditioning, take the dash down, take this whole box out, replace the heater core, even replace the tubes. More than what I want to get into in this truck, because I'm putting duct tape and just trying to keep it going, for as long as I can. So what I did is bought these, they're called shark bites. These are 3/4 inch by a 1/2 inch. I wish I would have showed you putting it in, but there again, this is a temporary deal, so just so I can have some heat. I don't recommend doing this and don't want to have any responsibility if it fails, but I bought some JB Weld that's heat sensitive, and it dries in like 15 minutes. I cleaned out the tubes real good, sanded them, cleaned them out real good, put some JB Weld in there. It seems pretty sturdy. Don't even know if it's going to leak yet, but if I post this, it didn't. And then I'm going to go ahead and hook the hoses back in there and hopefully have some heat. I'm going to do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, there you have it. Again, this is not the proper way to do it. This is the way I'm doing it, so I'll have heat and my defroster will work. I'll probably watch it for a few weeks before I post this, just to make sure it's not leaking and everything. But again, this is not the proper way to do it. But if you choose so be it. It's on you. But all right, everybody. Well, you have a good day. And remember, if I can do it, you can too.